Hello, today we will see how to use external images in our screen. So basically you need to go for here tools menu and select the tab image management. Once you go image management, then you got your previous folders. Here you find upload new images. Go there and select your symbol or your external image which is already you crop or created there. So select this and open there. After selecting and open, you just go for uh, here that is called as images and select there. Once you select, you go for selecting the path, image path, and select this. Once you got this screen, then you reduce or enlarge screen. This is one of the method. Another method also we will discuss in next lecture. For perfect dynamic screen or for pretty look, we can use also 3D images. We take separate lecture for that. In that lectures we use how to use another software for cropping images, or how to create animations. Some two or three different softwares are there. We can give the very well effect in the screen. So yeah, thank you.